Okay, hope you're having a good day out there. This is the update on the washer and dryer. Hope you enjoy it. We're gonna add a washer and dryer, so we're gonna go ahead and add a separate duct. And we're gonna use one of these existing breaker spaces for the washer and dryer, 2 new circuits. Alright, we're going to use the N95 mask here for climbing in the attic. That insulation can make a screw hole so we can get back up on the roof and see our screw. Here's our screw. So we're going to go 6 inches, so we're going to go 6.5 inches. Peel them out. Just enough. She's 1/2 inch bigger around, so we'll do a 5-inch diameter hole. Quickie mesh screen. Those birds and bugs are done. You won.